Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. This video was prepared for one among you who asked what is the important advantage of constructor in Java programming language. So now I will show him, as I do explain in the group, that constructor help us is a constituent of creating object in a class, which help us to call another method from some class within different class, an inheritance, in Java. So now just let us do it so you can see how it works. Now let us, since we have this class, and this class has a method main, public static void main is a method main. So console cannot print out anything without Java. When you want to run a program, it will initially ask you about method main if you do not to provide it. So now we can create another class without method main and use constructor to call that class from the existing class. Now let me name this class as y constructor. So y constructor, let us just name it as y constructor. This new class was named after the reason to explain the importance of constructor. So now let us create our method. For example, public, let us say the void. Let us name our method to be meaning of constructor mock. Let it be mock, meaning of constructor. So let it be constructor. Just leave it. It is just an example for you to understand why does constructor in Java. So now let us say the public. Now let us input our what we want when we call this mock from my constructor class. So what it will print out. Now let us say system.out.print line. For example, let us say, class within class using constructor. Class within class using constructor. Class within class using constructor. So now I'm going to call this class within class using constructor. I am going to call it from my constructor class, which we have been doing our previous exercise in. So now let us see how it's done. So now, since we have method main here, so let us use our method main to call the item of that y constructor class. For example, let us take y constructor first. Y constructor as. So now let us create an object of y constructor with constructor example C, which is equal to new keyword y constructor. So now we have created an object of y constructor in a my constructor. In my constructor, we create y constructor. As you ask, y constructor, what is the importance of constructor in Java? You can see now, when you are working with a company, maybe you are to develop a software with different pages, any page link with another page. So you can only do that with a constructor to call a variable or anything from other class which can be called. So you can call it from that class into another class. So now let us see this. So CE dot separator. I forgot what I write here. So you can see our method is mock So dot separator mock, meaning of constructor mock, empty frameworks, semicolon, control save, run the program. What happened? Oh, so this error come from where? We have meaning of constructor as I see it. Create, okay, change to mock, create mock type. Let us see. Oh, I have WC here. Good. Let us come back. Good. So now let us save and run it. Class within class using constructor. So you can see we write this output here from this class, and it was run and executed here in this class, meaning that with constructor you can create a class from another class and call that value of a class within the new class you create, whether it is parent class or child class. For example, if you want to create a complex software, so you must you will have to make it with different pages, and that different pages must be connected with one another. Finally, one class or one page will be the main page of the project, so that from that page you can access any page you want to access from the in the software. So this is how we work with constructor in Java. Thank you. Hope you understand. If you appreciate what I did, please subscribe, like, and drop a comment. Thank you.